Good morning, Clay.Thompson here, Guaranty RV Center in Junction City, Oregon. I just got in another 2021 LX450 Fullhouse by DRV. Kind of a hard one to find out there. This has the 12-foot garage, so out here in the Northwest seems to be what people are looking for. A couple of things that I want to note on this one is the paint job on it is similar to the Elite paint job, with the sides of the slides, noticing that the sides of the slides are painted to match the graphics as well. Typically that paint job doesn't come that way, so actually makes it look a lot nicer. And a few things that I'd like to talk about on the DRVs that's just coming out, not quite there yet, but give you a little insight. With the help of some staffing at DRV, they are developing a great customer service program where a lot of videos are going to start surfacing online for how-tos when you as the owner own a DRV can just go to YouTube, perhaps watch a video, then the normal call on your dealer, maybe get put on hold, not get through to somebody, to ask a simple question and get a simple answer. So real exciting news for the DRV product. I'm glad to see they're going that direction because it just makes it easier for the consumer to enjoy their product and know more about it. So here on the inside of the DRV Fullhouse, you'll notice the residential appliances, residential seating. This does not have the what I call the L on the couch. It's still in the basement from transport. Like I said, this unit just showed up. So it is an L-shaped furniture in the living room, facing the TV with the fireplace below to give you that nice home ambience, along with the 3-door Insignia refrigerator, large pull-out freezer down below, pull-out dinette table with 2 extra folding chairs. This has the latte interior, so it's a very nice accent from light to dark. Looks very, very nice. I like it. 12-foot garage in the rear with overhead cabinetry. The opposing dinette on the bottom with the bunk bed above, or makes into 2 bunk beds in the rear with the full overhead cabinetry, the all-season screen wall on the back end with the patio kit. So that's really, really nice in this product. As well as the nice big kitchen area with large residential appliances, big double deep sink, lots of cabinetry all the way to the ceiling, so plenty of cabinetry there. Very large bathroom. Get into the bedroom with a nice king bed, walk-in closet, cedar lined in the rear there, or excuse me, up front, but in the closet. Drawers in the closet, as well as having the vanity slide. So lots to talk about in the DRV Fullhouse LX450. I know this is kind of a quick video online that I'm talking about today here, but it just came in. I wanted to get it out there because there's not very many of this model with the 12-foot garage out there. So if you have any questions, make sure you contact me. My name is Clay.Thompson with Guaranty RV Center. You can reach me direct at 541-979-1770. Be happy to talk to you about your next adventure in a DRV product. Thank you and have a great day.